Hi! In this video, I will show you how to edit photo in Canva. Go to Create Design. So the photo, let's say you will edit, is for your Instagram account. So you choose here Instagram Post Square. It depends on you on what template you like and where do you want to post your edited photo. You must upload first the photo that you want to edit by clicking on Upload and go to Upload Files. Once your file was already uploaded, you can drag it to your blank template. You can resize and crop your photo by dragging its corners. If you want to change the background of your picture right here, now it is white, you can click your background and click on this icon right here. And different colors and gradients will show on the right part of your screen. Click on the color that you want and the background will automatically change. You can also edit the photo itself by clicking it and go to Edit Photo right here. Under the Effects page is where you can see tools, filters, and effects. Under the Adjust page is where you can adjust the white balance, light, color, and texture of your photo. And the last page is the Crop. You can also add some elements to your picture by clicking on the elements right here and search for the clip arts that you want to add up, such as frames and emoticons. You can also add some text to it by clicking on text on the right side of your screen. So I think our photo is done. So that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!